Today, let's take a tour of the Grand Floridian Resort at Walt Disney World. Grand Floridian Resort is a deluxe resort located in the Magic Kingdom area of Walt Disney World. It is themed after Palm Beach's golden era and resembles the historic Hotel del Coronado, which is located near San Diego. You'll find Cinderella and Mary Poppins touches throughout. This resort is located on Seven Seas Lagoon, just a monorail stop or a walk away from Magic Kingdom. It has a main building as well as several outer buildings where many of the rooms are located. As you arrive at the Grand Floridian, you'll immediately notice the theming and the decor as you head in. Bell services is available here as well as the front desk. In addition to those options on the first floor, you will find some other options including 1900 Park Fair Restaurant, Sandy Cove Gifts and Sundries Gift Shop, Curious or Clothiers, Grand Floridian Cafe, and outside and just around the corner, Gasparilla Island Grill quick service location. Heading up to the second floor, you'll find even more choices, including the Basin White Shop, Citrico's Restaurant, Victorian Albert's Restaurant, M. Mouse Mercantile, Enchanted Rose, a Beauty and the Beast themed lounge, as well as the Monorail station. There's one more dining option located outside along the water, Narcoossee's, which serves surf and turf. It is currently closed for refurbishment and is expected to reopen sometime in 2023. Heading inside the rooms here, you'll find that the layout for a standard room is 2 queen beds or 2 queen beds and a day bed. There are also king bedrooms available. There are, of course, the standard amenities featured in each room. Guests can expect a hairdryer, TV, free Wi-Fi, a Keurig coffee maker, telephone, in-room safe, iron and ironing board, and a mini refrigerator. There are a range of views you can book here, including the Seven Seas Lagoon, Magic Kingdom, Cinderella Castle, Courtyard, Marina, pool areas, or the resort grounds. Regarding storage, there is closet and drawer space, but no storage underneath the beds. The bathrooms do not have storage under the sink, but the vanity area is large since there are double sinks. Keep in mind that the vanity area does not have its own door for privacy, but there is a door separating the shower and toilet area from the sink. There are a limited number of larger rooms available that can accommodate up to 8, as well as a club level option for rooms in both the main building and outer buildings that give guests access to a club lounge, complimentary health club access, and free newspaper. Guests looking for things to do while staying at the Grand Floridian will find plenty, starting with the pools. Grand Floridian has one main feature pool and one leisure pool. The main pool is the beach pool, which overlooks Seven Seas Lagoon and has a 181-foot long water slide. The pool features cascading waterfalls and has a zero depth entry like a beach. There's a lounge, bar, and also cabanas available to rent. There's even a fun Alice in Wonderland themed water play area. The leisure pool is the Courtyard pool. It is zero entry, heated, and located behind the main building. There is also a whirlpool spa located here. Outside of the pools, there are some other recreational options available, which include motorized boat rentals, specialty cruises, Arcadia Games Arcade, basketball courts, jogging trails, and a nightly campfire to roast marshmallows. You'll find a complete list of recreation options on the recreation schedule. When it comes to transportation, guests of the Grand Floridian Resort will have a super easy time getting to and from Magic Kingdom with options that include a walking path, a boat, and being just one monorail stop away. Grand Floridian guests going to Epcot can take the Magic Kingdom monorail to the Transportation Ticket Center and transfer there to the Epcot monorail. For all other destinations, Disney buses will be available, though they are often shared with nearby resorts. Self-parking is available for Disney Deluxe Resorts at $25 per night. Valet is $33. As for our thoughts, we love that it is either one monorail stop away, a walkway away, or a boat ride away from Magic Kingdom. It has very elegant theming, fantastic on-site dining options, views of Magic Kingdom fireworks, and the electrical water pageant. On the downside, it is very expensive. The transportation to the parks other than Magic Kingdom can take a while because of shared buses and having to transfer monorails to get to Epcot, and it is not as kid-friendly as most other Disney resorts. This resort is really ideal for groups who want easy access to Magic Kingdom and some of the best on-site dining options and who have it in their travel budget.